Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that contacts sync with iCloud because that's the fastest recovery path. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, make sure Contacts is on, and that you're signed into the Apple ID linked to the lost number. Once done, open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh. This forces a sync. If Contacts was off, turn it on and wait. iCloud may restore deleted entries. This step prevents unnecessary restores from device backups later. Next, use iCloud. COM to pull archived contact sets, which keeps deleted items for a short time. On a computer, sign in to iCloud. COM with the same Apple ID, go to Account Settings, then Restore Contacts. You'll see dated archives, pick the one likely containing the deleted number and click Restore. This merges that archive back to your device via iCloud. Once restored, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi so the contacts sync down to the phone. If iCloud archives don't contain the number, restore from an iTunes or Finder backup made before deletion. First, make a fresh backup of your current iPhone so you don't lose anything. Then connect to the computer, choose Restore Backup, and pick the appropriate dated backup. Once complete, verify contacts. Troubleshooting tip: if contacts still won't appear, ensure you're signed into the same Apple ID, check Settings Contacts Accounts, and confirm sync is enabled. Sometimes toggling contacts off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.